Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I am Brittany Mills, and in this video I will be showing you guys this amazing ring light that I purchased from Amazon. I'll add the name and also the product link and details in the description of the video. It comes with everything that you may need: the carrying case, Bluetooth remote, a remote for the ring light, and also a tripod. I've been having this ring light for about 4 months now and I love it. Having a remote makes it so much convenient versus, having to continue to get up and fix the changes of the settings of the ring light and things like that. Continue to watch the video to the end and you will see that I purchased a ring light wall mount, instead of using the tripod for the ring light. This is also truly convenient and also saves space, especially if you may be in a small room filming. Another good thing about this ring light is, as you can see, it folds in half, so it's very portable and convenient to take it on the go as well.
Problems disappear. She could tell you the things you want to hear. She could read your mind and then she could laugh of a little lies to tell yourself it right. Never get it wrong, it's always right. Making the plate, being the plate. She is on a roll. She's on a roll. Never seen it like this. Didn't think it existed, no truth. Don't get in the way, she's not here to play, she'll get moody. But don't mistake this girl for being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. I had a dream last night. Did everything I never do in real life. I stepped into a room, told everyone to be quiet, 'cause I had something to say. Blew everybody away, wear whatever I want.
Any questions or comments you guys may have, don't forget to leave them in the comment section of the video. Thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next one.